How to fix YouTube comment not showing. First open your Play Store on your device. After search bar type YouTube. If you need update, tap on update option. After then open your YouTube app. Top right bottom you find profile icon. Tap on, then click on top right corner setting option. After find this option, menu bar general option. Tap on general. Scroll down, find this option restricted mode. After then turn off this notification icon and minimize and home. Go to your home screen. After then you find this your YouTube icon. Tap on here and you will see this option app info. Tap on this app info. After then you will see this option internal store. Tap on this internal store. When you tap, you also find this option clear cache and clear data. After then clear cache and clear data. Thanks for watching this video.